Welcome to another episode of The Wretched Wrench. Today we're talking about the 83 Bonneville Model G, where we get to hear the creepiest, scariest background music ever.
Bonneville features a standard 3-speed automatic transmission and an economical 3.8-liter V6 engine.
Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Thanks for watching.
The name is Bonneville, Model G. Bonneville, a highly respected name for a remarkably well-defined today-sized automobile. Bonneville is at once formal, rich, and efficient in a new mid-sized package. While the name is familiar, the look is not, for this is a new kind of Pontiac. Bonneville is designed for aerodynamic efficiency, with low hood lines that extend into energy-absorbing bumpers, integrated into the total design. Wheel openings and exterior moldings blend into the body, and the deck lid is raised for lower wind resistance and extra luggage capacity. Bonneville's surface is smooth to help reduce aerodynamic drag and add to overall efficiency. The elegant Brougham option includes a luxury trim and a comfortable and convenient 60/40 split front seat. Bonneville features a standard 3-speed automatic transmission and an economical 3.8-liter V6 engine equipped with computer command control. Computer command control provides electronic monitoring of the engine for accurate fuel control to meet engine demands under all driving conditions. An oxygen sensor in the exhaust manifold determines whether the air-fuel mixture is correct or should be made richer or leaner. It signals an electronic control module which directs a mixture control solenoid in the carburetor to adjust the air-fuel mix accordingly. By constantly maintaining a proper air-fuel mix under all engine demands, computer command control lowers exhaust emissions while permitting good performance and efficiency. A larger 4.1-liter V6, also featuring computer command control, delivers 125 horsepower at 4,000 RPM and is available to provide added power. A 5.7-liter V8 diesel engine is also available for added economy. Because there are no spark plugs, distributor, points, condenser, carburetor, or ignition wiring, the diesel engine never needs tune-ups. All three engines are available for a Bonneville station wagon. The distinctive upper-level trim, part of the Brougham option for the sedan, is also available for the station wagon. Pontiac has engineered a comfortable, smooth ride into all Bonnevilles. Cushioned body mounts help to isolate the passenger area from road vibrations. And acoustical insulation in the hush panel, beneath the floor carpeting, and around the doors further lessen wind and road noise. A full coil spring suspension system with front stabilizer bar helps soften even the roughest roads. The 4-link rear suspension with upper and lower mounted control arms help give Bonneville a solid, impressive road feel. A diagonally split power braking system which matches front and rear brakes on opposite sides for added reliability is an equally important feature. And special low-drag calipers help eliminate friction between the pad and disc when brakes are not being applied to add to Bonneville's fuel savings. The brakes are self-adjusting as well, and also feature an audible wear sensor, which warns you when they finally do need to be replaced. Bonneville is also protected from the elements. Zinc-rich anti-corrosive materials are used extensively to help guard against rust and corrosion. Inner fender liners protect front and rear wheel wells from damaging road salt deposits. These are but a few features which add lasting value and make Pontiac's Bonneville a pleasure to drive. Discover for yourself with a test drive, and be certain to ask your Pontiac salesperson about Bonneville's other standard and available features. designed and engineered with integrity, and styled with class. The Pontiac Bonneville, station wagon, and four-door sedan. Attractive values in today's automotive marketplace.
Alright guys, thanks for watching. Leave a comment. Next video come out in a day or two, all about the Grand Prix.